So hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about Infosys Certification Exam 2022. So basically here the forms are out for this exam and why this exam is important, what is this exam and what happens if we clear this exam. We are all going to talk about that in this video. So stay tuned.
अभी से यूट्यूब बंद, ठीक है? नो यूट्यूब, नो जोक्स ऑन यूट्यूब.
Start. So what is InfyTQ certificate exam? So InfyTQ certification exam is a certification exam by Infosys that you have the opportunity to get job into Infosys as well as certified from Infosys and become Infosys certified software programmer. So there are two benefits. First of all, they are giving you a job, and if you don't want a job or if you cleared the job, then you will be a certified software programmer. So this is a plus point. Else there is a InfyTQ exam for BE, BTech, MTech, MCA, MCM in third year, 6M if you are graduate next year. So basically for all the third year students which are in third year for now, and we can say in sixth semester, for them this is the exam, and for final year students also. So let me give you a brief note about that there is a total of 3 rounds in Infosys certification. So let's discuss one by one, and we are going to discuss about it in detail. But there are 3 rounds basically, and there are no eligibility criteria for 10, 12, 60%. Okay, so this is a good point. Basically it's all depend upon your skills. So let's talk about the exam processes. So the first round is the qualification round, and here qualifier round exam, and the second round is for final round exam, and the third is the interviewed engineer post role, system engineer post role. So there is an interview in the third round. Basically there is one more round called advantage round for higher roles like system engineer specialist and power programmers. So in the first round, second round are both uh, related to coding and MCQ type, and then third round is the interview, which is a system engineer post role. Basically depend upon the post they are having and the job opportunities they are having. And the advantage round is for those who have higher skills and who are competing in the upper level. So let me give you a brief about the first round. In the first round there are multiple choice questions, MCQ questions based on based exam, and there is a syllabus related to Python, Java programming, and aptitude, DBMS. So this is regarding the first round. The pattern of qualifier round will be there is a 60-minute exam and 40 questions. Negative marking be little bit of I think 0.25 per wrong question, and total marks of 40 marks. And the syllabus is Python, Java, as you can choose any one language of the whole exam. Then DBMS aptitude, same for Java and Python. The cutoff will be no disclosure by Infosys team, because it depend upon the number of participant, how they are scoring, and the level of difficulty the exam is having. So the predicted cutoff is 20-25 correct questions, and that is all. And let's talk about the second round, that is the final round exam. So after clearing first round, you have to give the final round Infosys certification exam, and final round pattern is different from first round. So the pattern is the time is 3 hours first of all, and number of questions are 2 hands-on coding questions. So they are basically no multiple choice questions. They are just coding questions. I'm sorry, there are 20 MCQ questions of Python, Java, DBMS, as your language is the same as the selected at the time of qualifier round. It means if you have chosen Java as a programming language, then you have to go through the whole exam process or whole rounds in the same language. The cutoff will be 65. If you score 65% or more in InfyTQ final round, you become in Infosys certified software exam programmer, and now you are eligible for interview opportunities for the role of system engineer. So those people who clear the second round also have become the uh, candidates who are holding the certified software programmer by Infosys certificate kind of. And now all of those who have cleared the second round, they are eligible for the interview process for the role of system engineer and behavioral interview and all. Then let's talk about the advantage round. In this round consists only coding questions, and the pattern is 3 coding questions. Timing is of 3 hours. Role offer system engineer specialist roles and power programmer role. It depends upon the uh, roles they are having, the job vacancies they are having. So that's all about the all the three processes. Basically these 3 processes are the main, and you have to fill the exam form. Now let's talk about the registration which are open. So here's the registration for Infosys certification for batch 2023. It means those BTech students or any other UG program students who are going to complete their program within 2023. This is the registration form they have to fill for InfyTQ. Infosys certification is a technology accreditation that enables students to get a head start in their career and get access to multiple job opportunities. So we have to register here. So let me go through the registration process for you. So let's doing it in incognito mode. So that's how the site look like.
and if you are new to this, you have to register first. So I am not signing in, I have to register here. So first of all, you have to fill your basic details, your name, email, and password confirmation. Let me do it quickly for you, and that's how it's look like. So I am doing writing the password now. So after filling the password, I have to confirm it, and after confirming it, I have to click register. So I have registered it, and now I have to verify my email. So I have to check my email for the notification. Now finally I have done it. So basically I have just edited the video so that you can get to see the all things, and I agree and accept. Now after accepting, you will again see your basic details. You have to fill here your college, your everything. It means it's simple. You have to just go through the registration and submit it. So this is your basic profile. You have to build your basic profile first, then you are on the dashboard now. So here this is the UI. You have to check for the programs basically here. So let's look at the programs. Like you can see here the program. Here we have Infosys certification. So here go, and you can see this is the place we have to register, and you can just go to the registration and continue the process from here. Now let me first of all, we have to upload a photo, because uh, it's simple task, but it sometimes lags. So I'm just putting a random photo for you. So that's how my thing look like. And one more thing, I have to put my birth date also. So after putting my birth date, I just submitted and pressed OK, and now I have successfully registered. Now the last thing and the most important thing is booking of slot. So slot booking is one of the main risky task, I can we can say, because this is the full and final thing. I have chosen Java, and now we have few dates: February 6, 7, 8, 9. Now it's up to you and which time you are particularly free. I'm not generally free at 10 a.m., so I have to choose 4 p.m. Time, but I'm just figuring out which date I have to choose, because who knows when you have something to do, some urgent works are there. So let's crossing finger and booking this slot. So let me just book it. It's totally free, just you have to book it, and be sure whatever slot you have booked. So that's all. I'm just booking it, and there is a once again they're popping up that you have, this is the final thing you have to do. So I'm confirming it, finger crossing, and now my finally I have registered for the exam. So my exam is on February 8th at 4 p.m. on Tuesday. So they will send me a mail about this, and that's all. It's just like, it's simple. Yeah. Now all the things is up to you, because now all you have to prepare for that. There are sample tests also in the site. You can check and go through some of them, and all of them. There are plenty of time. And so this is how they have some courses also. If they relate to your curriculum, you can go through it. So that's how we have registered. And after registration, this is my thing. You have to just like, share, and subscribe, and for comment your suggestion, doubts, ideas, and feedback. And for more such videos, go through my channel, and you will find plenty of things. Thanks.